Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Binance to Google Authenticator. First, ensure you have the Google Authenticator app installed on your mobile device. Next, log into your Binance account using a web browser on a separate device, like a computer. Once logged in, locate and click on the Security Settings section within your Binance profile. This is where we will begin the two-factor authentication setup process. Now, within your Binance security settings, find and select the option for Google Authenticator as your two-factor authentication method. Binance will then display a unique QR code on your screen. Open your Google Authenticator app and use its scan feature to capture this QR code. If scanning isn't possible, Binance also provides a setup key that you can manually enter into the Authenticator app to link the accounts. After scanning the QR code or entering the key, your Google Authenticator app will immediately start generating 6-digit verification codes. You will need to enter the current code displayed in the app into the designated field on your Binance security page. Additionally, you must input your Binance login password to confirm this security change. Binance might also ask for other verification steps, so follow those prompts to finalize the activation. To ensure your account remains secure, always back up your Google Authenticator key in a very safe, offline location. This is crucial for account recovery if you lose your device. Remember, never share your Authenticator codes or recovery keys with anyone, as this could compromise your security. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, which helps you stay hydrated, please look at the links in the description below. Keeping your account secure is a top priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.